don't know why he's been summoned, but what we suspect is that Ken has been summoned because of the story he did, and we all did last week, concerning Kabindasun Primary School that were raided by the bandits just a day before the rehearsal. So we saw yesterday the summon by the DCI of the members of parliament in Nakuru, and they received a formal summon. For Ken, Ruto received formal communication from an officer, not just a formal way of inviting for a summon. What is not very clear is why he's been summoned. And prior to that, Ken received some threats, including some of my colleagues here, from the government officials, especially from the police and officers from the office of the county commissioner. So today has culminated to the summon of Ken Ruto. But we want to say this came immediately after the member of parliament of Tiaty constituency, William Kamket, announced publicly in a public barasa on Saturday that the journalists should be investigated. Immediately, Ken was summoned by the DCI. So the question is are the DCI or police working for politicians? Because immediately Kamket said we should be investigated. Ken Ruto has been summoned by the police, and this came as a surprise to us because Honorable Kamket is a journalist. He's a veteran journalist. He knows the code of conduct. He knows the parameters of what we do. He insinuated that the journalist did a drama of 7 hours. Let's be very clear. As a journalist, we are not drama. We are not drama king or drama queen. We are professionals. When Kamket announced that in public baraza, it not only threatened our presence in that meeting, and of course other subsequent meetings that will come in any other area if such utterances is taken seriously. And finally, to add on what Kamket said, is he actually particularly described the issue at Kabindasum as a drama. What we are aware is in Kabindasum Primary that day there were 4 groups. There were the primary school and the fraternity of Kabindasum Primary School. There were the journalists, there were the police and the bandits. What we don't understand is Kamket elaborated so much about what happened there. While we are aware, nobody saw Kamket there. So if I was to guess, I would only assume that Kamket was on the other side because he was not on this other side. So we want to ask the politician to respect what we do, especially the member of parliament for Tiaty, and give us room to work harmoniously. Because as for now, as you speak, we fear for our lives.